I am Devdashni. I am studying 8th standard. In today online class, it was the craft talk. I enjoyed seeing that craft talk. In that craft talk, they done one flower vase which is covered by a eggshell, and in the eggshell they painted some flowers. It was so beautiful. I also tried this at home. In my home, I tried two type of vase. One is covered by paper. I have decorated by the paper, and also I do one artificial flower with the paper in my home. And other is in the paper I pasted some eggshells and also painted some pictures on it, and also I done another paper flower with the paper. So today I enjoy doing this craft. Thank you.
Ma'am, my name is Deepati from 6th to 7th. I have done this flower vase. This was made by a plastic bottle covered with eggshells, and I have done this flower with a fabric paint, and this is a natural flower. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Logi Daksha. I am studying in 6th to 7th standard in Amlabam Mills Academy, Pondicherry. Today's our topic name is flower wash. That name is upcycle crafts. This is the flower part which I have done.
Good morning, sir. I am Sharavana Priyan. I am studying in 9th standard. I am going to do the crafts which you gave activity today.
Good morning, sir. My name is Shanmuga Priyan. I am studying in 6th standard. I am Luz Academy. I am studying in Luz Academy, and I am going to do craft. I am promoted to 6th standard. First, we need brushes for paint,
An acrylic paints and a glue bottle
and two plastic bottles
and eggshells
and a cup
and
of
some
water
water
and scissors and knives and a cap from a bottle to pour the gum and water.
Yes, sir. I am.
Flower vase using eggshells. Required materials are plastic flower set, 3 colors of fabric paint, on Fevicol, half buttered bottle, and some eggshells. First, we should take some eggshells and take Fevicol. Apply over bottle. Take brush and apply all the place Fevicol. Take some eggshells and paste it. Pasting the eggshell on the bottle, we should paint a flower or anything you want.
I painted a flower in the eggshell bottle. Then we can decorate it with the stones. Lastly, we can put a flower in the flower wash. Thank you, sir.
Sir, my name is Tulsiram and my sister name is K. Mitra. We are doing craft. As follow as the teacher and we are doing flower base. We are saw the online class and we are doing the flower base. And now we have pasted the eggshells and we have dried it for half an hour. And we are going to draw now. I am going to draw smiley face and my sister is going to draw flower.
Good evening, sir. I am Erin Rachel Juvenal from 8th standard. Today, my online class is about upcycle craft. In that, they told how to do a flower vase with plastic bottle and eggshell. With that idea, I made a flower vase in my creative manner. This is my flower vase. Thank you, sir.
Take the bottle, take the gum on the brush, paste on the bottle the gum, then take the eggshell and paste on it. In between, no gaps. Shell pasting finish. Then take this. And pour on the ground. Take the small brush, dip on the gum, shell front side. Finish pasting the fabric glue. Then let it dry. After that we paint the flower wash. I'm going to decorate the flower wash. Decoration over. Now insert the flower. Take a flower and insert it. Take a flower and insert the flower wash. This is flower wash. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Ramasan and I am from 7th B. I am going to explain about this flower vase. I watched the video about the craft. The teacher who taught this video was nice and I learned about this and it was very interesting. So I can do this because of the man's help. Please upload this more video about this. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. My name is Yam Harish. Today I saw your video which you have been uploaded on YouTube. They talked about how to make upcycle craft, and I also done it, sir. It was useful for me, and I done with my and I shared this to my friends and my relations, and I am happy so much, sir. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Asuri Krishna. I am from 6th B. Today I am going to say about craft from waste. You teach me today morning about flower vase. The ingredients are to make flower vases. Plastic bottle. We want to cut the plastic bottle, and the second thing is we want to paste the eggshell and we want to make it dry, and we can take Fevikwik, that also ingredient, and we can mix with the water Fevikwik, and we can paste it to cover the eggshell. Then the eggshell will not break and come out, and we can paint as a flower, and we can stick some stickers top of the plastic. Thank you.
sir. I'm Lovachanda from 7th standard. You have sent a video for me. She done the craft work superb, sir. I wished to do this. I have practiced to do the flowers. Now I'll show you the flowers. This is the flowers which I have done. It was real. I done it with neatly, sir. I done with eggshells, plastic bottles, fabric glue, fabric paint, fevicol, and some flowers. For this, my dad had helped with me. My dad and my mother helped with me. Thank you.
Last video has been really good, so I'm doing again. Like this. And then I just check out. Be nice, no? And it will be easier also. Then this place you can use again.
Good evening. I am B. Nishantini, 8th B CBSE. Today in online, I watched the video on the topic of upcycle craft. How to make flower vase with the help of eggshells. With the help of ma'am guidance, I make it. First of all, we want to take a waste plastic bottle, eggshells, flour, glue, fabric glue, paint and brushes. Now I am going to tell how I make it. First I taken a plastic bottle and I appeared full of with eggshells and I paste it. After that I appear and over the apply glue fully and dry it for few minutes. Now I can tell this is a flower vase. Finally, I decorated with some paintings with the flower. Now finally, I am going to put the flower inside it. Now a flower was ready. Thank you.
Satish Jyoti. So today's video is about creativity. Creativity is nothing but it's all just mindset. Mindset means what we have fixed in our mind, we can do that. For example, if you're taking an empty box, you can color it and you can use it. But today's task is to do our creativity. And this is my creativity. It's just very easy. Creativity, you can do it anywhere, anytime, and it's very, very cheap. We can do it at low cost. What are the benefits of this? Or if you are very urged, we have to present someone gift. It means in 2 hours we have to do, means the shops are all closed. In the evening means we just spend 30 minutes or 40 minutes to do the creativity. The creativity will take only less time, so you can do it very easily. Creativity you can present, give to someone, or you can have it You can have as a pen stand, you can have as a flower vase, or you can have as a chalk pick holder in your classroom. We students like to do all creativities because our mind gets sharpened by doing these types of creativities. Thank you, sir, and respected teachers for giving us, and thank you, craft ma'am, for teaching us a wonderful craft, and thank you for giving this task to us. I think everyone is very happy doing this task. Even I am also very happy. I wish all to stay home and stay safe. Thank you.
Happy morning to all my teachers. I'm G. Monisha. Today I saw craft video, so I'm going to try it now. I'm going to do flowers. So now we are going to see what are all the things required for doing flowers. We need some eggshells, and we need a plastic water bottle which is cut already, and we need a Fevicol, and we need a fabric glue, and we need some fabric paints and some paint brushes. So let us see how to do a flowers. First I told that we should take some eggshells. We should break them into small pieces. So our broken eggshells are ready. So now we are going to paste them on the plastic bottles. Let us paste it. We should take a flat paintbrush. It will be very useful for sticking it. See, we stuck it. After 35 minutes, let us see it. So I have finished sticking those broken eggshells in this plastic water bottle. So we should dry it for about 5 to 10 minutes. So now this stuck eggshells are dried. So now we should take a fabric glue. We should pour it in a bowl, and we should have a pure water.
Good evening. My name is Vidyashri. I am studying 8th standard, and today's online class was about art and craft. I watched that video and it told me to do a flower pot. So I did this. This is my team. Thank you.
My name is Litika. I think that everybody is safe in their home, and I want to thank our honorable principal for starting these online classes. And I learned many creative ideas, and I learned many things from this online classes. I done the flower vase also. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Hi, I am Reshma, studying in Amlopam Lutz Academy, 8th standard. So this is the replay for the video, that is recycling waste eggshells into and flower vase. So my flower vase is my flower vase. Thank you. It is an amazing video for keeping the flowers.
Good
7th I saw the Uncycled Crafts channel sent by our school. So I have tried that to do. They done a flower vase, so I have done it. Materials required for doing this are eggshells, empty bottle, and some flowers and paint. First we have to cut the top of the bottle and we have to paste the eggshells on it using a Fevicol or any gum. And after drying it, we have to apply the gum mixed by water in a brush to make it shining. And we can draw anything, whatever we like. But I have drawn only one flower in the middle. If you want, you can paint fully and you can draw what are the designs you like, and you can keep some flowers here and you can keep it in your house for decorating. Thank you.
Good morning to everybody. I am studying in Amlapam Hills Academy. My name is Manisha. I am going to 7th standard. Today I saw the video of craft about flower wash. I done that. Now I show it. I done the flower wash. I learned how to do the flower wash. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, respected sir. I am Sailesh of 8th standard. In today's class, Craftman made a beautiful flower vase by using materials available at home, which is very easy to do. I have also made a flower vase by watching the video. Here it is.
Good evening teachers, I am Konmeka from 7th A. I like this flower wash craft very much. It is very useful for me in the way of gifting for my family members. I like this craft very much and I also like this online classes very much. Thank you.
Morning to all. நான் இன்னைக்கு ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் பார்த்தேன். நம்ம இன்னைக்கு டாபிக்ல கிராஃப்ட் தான். நான் இருக்கிற திங்ஸை வச்சு லாக்டவுனால் இருக்கிற திங்ஸை வச்சு தான் எல்லாம் பண்ணேன். திஸ் இஸ் மை கிராஃப்ட். தேங்க்யூ.
Hi, I am Gomati. I done the craft which our ma'am taught. This is my craft. I am very happy to do this because we are recycling the eggshells. So I like it. The waste should not be waste. It should be recycled. I thought so. I done in the interesting manner. It will be a nice home decor. I like it so much. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Akshay. I am studying 6th standard B section. Today's title is Upcycle Craft. Today I am going to do flower vase. This is Fevicol, fabric glue, fabric paint, eggshells, bottle, and paintbrush.
Happy evening, sir. My name is Solin Redis. I am studying in 7th standard A section. Today, our craft ma'am done a flower wash with the waste materials. The required waste materials are Fevicol, fabric glue, eggshells, paint and brush, fabric paint and brush, waste bottle and Fevicol. Now I am going to do the flower pot. First we want to take the Fevicol, pour into some Fevicol. It will strongly mixed with the bottle. Just like we want to do all the shells, all the broken shells, which are pasted in the bottle. The glue is not enough. Now I am going to pour some of the glue. Mix it well and take and designs with the colors. You can do horizontal which you can like. Now I keep the flowers in the flower pot. That's all finished. Thank you, sir.
Good morning friends, I am Sharan Raj from 8th standard. The online classes have sent me a craft work. It was done by the old bottle and eggshells. I am not having fabric paints, so I done with the sketch and markers. Thank you for the all online classes.
Hi, I am Roshan from 50C. I make a flower pot at my home. I do a flower pot because I have no time. It was boring to it. I was spending my time by using creativity, drawing and reading, writing and handwriting practice. We should not spend time by watching TV and television. Thank you.
Happy morning to my teachers and my dear principals. You have sent a video on upcycled craft. That I have saw the video in that craft that was very nice. Thank you for posting the video. I have did a flower wash. What you have said in that with my ideas with the eggshells. Now I am going to explain that how I did. In this full eggshell, I have sometimes I have dried, for some minute I have dried and make it in these pieces and I paste it with the gum and it dried for 5 to 10 minutes and I have took and with the fabric paint In this bottle I poured some glue and poured some water in that. With this paint brush I have did like this, and it dried for 10 to 15 minutes. Then I was painting with the fabric paints. In this paints I have used red color and yellow color for flowers and leaf for green color. So I have did the painting yellow and green, and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes, and it has came like this without my hand. So and then I have put this original flowers in this. Then I have put it in that flower wash. It looked nice. And thank you once again. I will say thank you for posting this video on Upcycle Craft. This flower wash. The flower wash was very nice. Thank you to my lovely teachers and my dear principals.
Good morning to all. My name is Dhanushree. I am studying in 6th standard C section. I am going to do the craft of the flower vase with the eggshells. I have the eggshells. I have nicely washed and dried in the sun. Now I will break. These are the eggshells, and this is the bottle. I had cut the bottle off. This is called our flower vase bottle. In this only we are going to place this eggshells. Now we are going to break the eggshells. First, we will break the first 2 eggshells. I had taken a white color because I like white color. First, now I break all right, and I kept it in a newspaper. Now lightly water, now my flower vase is ready. I gave the top is blue color and down yellow, and here some small designs and pink color here, and natural flowers, rose and the marigold flower I kept. My craft is finished. A nice flower vase.
My name is Shanmugapriyan. I am studying in 6th standard CBSE.
And I have done a flower pot by the eggshells and by the fabric paint and a plastic bottle. And I am going to place the under and I am going to place the flower.
Good morning everybody, I am Divyansh from 7th standard. Today I saw the video. In that video Mrs. Jyoti Yadav made a very nice craft. It was a flower vase. I have also tried that. It is not better than hers, but I have tried it. Thank you.
My name is Balakrishnan. I am studying in 7th standard in Amlopam Ludas Academy. I have done a flower vase that was taught by Mrs. Jyoti Yadav. I have pasted some eggshells in the bottom of the waste bottle. For design, I have pasted some colored jimickeys. Thank you for the management for making this day as a useful day.
Good evening, sir. I have done this flower vase based on the video. Thank you.
My name is Subhash Chandran, 7th standard, new student. I have done today's project of flower wash.
Nana. What is this?
எல்லாம் வாய்ஸ் ரெக்கார்ட் ஆகுது.
Good morning to everybody. I am Krishna Lakshmi from 5th A. I saw the craft video. The flower vase was made up of eggshell. Now I am going to do the flower vase with the eggshell. The needed materials for the flower vase is bottle, eggshells, and a cup of water, glue, paint and brush. First I was up here red color. I am having the glue in the paintbrush and paint the glue in the bottle.
Now I have finished pasting the eggshells. Now let's keep the eggshells dry for a few minutes. I have mixed the water with the gum and I have been taking the gum and pasting it on the eggshells after time. After the scum have been dry, we can start painting as we like as the design was. I have having the paint and I'm just started to paint. And I kept the flowers on it. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Glad to see you again in this video. I enjoyed the video which you have sent a lot, and after seeing it, I done the craft myself. Here it is. In case I don't have fabric paint, I didn't paint it. And I also done some craft works in these holidays. They are a pen stand made using newspaper and it will be thick, and another pen stand made using CDs. Thank you, sir.
Happy morning to all my teachers. Today I saw Jyoti ma'am's class. It was so nice. So that I made some new craft. What she told. This is my new flower vase. I made this flower vase with the eggshells. I taken all the eggshells and pasted in a waste bottle. Then I made this heart from cotton, and in that I pasted butterflies for decoration, and this is true flower. Then I colored that eggshells. From doing this craft, I got another one idea. That is my small penguin. Because from the eggshell, I made this penguin. Because of seeing ma'am's class, I got this idea and done on my own. Thank you, ma'am.
Good evening, one and all. I am Srinath, studying in 5th standard B section. This is what I did today. This is a flower vase. In this lockdown, many children get addicted to watching TV and mobile phones. Instead of watching that, if we do this develop our creativity. Thank you.
My name is Kisha. I am studying in 8th standard Amlapam Arts Academy. First, I saw the flower wash video. First, I taken the water bottle and pasted the eggshells and coated with fabric glue. And now I am taking red color and doing. And now taking green color for leaf. I have finished the flower wash. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. I am Dilip from class 7. This is my flower wash. Today's day was very useful for me. I did as our craft mom said, but I didn't do as it is at our craft mom said. I have sent you some photos. See that and enjoy that, sir. Thank you.
ப்ரஷ்ஷை தொட்டுக்க, வெறும் ப்ரஷ்ஷை வச்சுக்கிட்டே தேய்ச்சிட்டு. ப்ரஷ்ஷை ஒழுங்காக ப்ரஷ்ஷே பிடிக்க தெரியல உனக்கு. இப்படி பெண்ணை பிடிக்கிற மாதிரி பிடிக்கணும் ப்ரஷ்ஷை. ப்ரஷ்ஷில் தொட்டுக்க.
The flower wash is ready. It's my flower wash. Thank you.
I painted the jar. See how is this is the painted jar. Flowers. Now I'm going to keep this flower into the jar.
Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am G. Gopinath from 6th standard. Today's online class about craft and I made this flower vase using waste plastic bottle. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I'm Dishwan, 6th standard. I'm going to do this morning craft. Ma'am, say this one. Thank you.
I am Sanjay Kumar, going to 6th standard. Today, ma'am told how to do a flower vase with waste material. And it was very beautiful and useful for me. And I will also do that in home to keep flowers to decorate my home. Thank you.
I am Shervin Kumar, going to 8th standard. Today in the online class, they told about how to make a flower vase with the use of waste material. The used components are eggshell, fabric glue, fabric paint, fevicol, a thin brush, etc. It is very nice. This online class is very useful for me to make a craft in the easy way. Thank you.
Hi sir, I'm Reshma. Today I'm going to do a craft with that was a flower vase with eggshell. And the materials required are a plastic bottle, a fevicol, a fabric glue, and a flat brush, and the three fabric colors. The one is purple, and the another is red, and the final one is pink. And some eggshells. First, we need a water bottle, plastic bottle, and we should cut this part like this, and we should keep it aside. After some time, after cutting this one, we should put some glue and we should apply to it. After some time, next we should take the eggshells broken and we should apply to it the gum. After some time, we should wait for some times to dry it. After that, we should take the use of the fabric glue. We should take it and we should leave it for some times. We should take this and we should apply some water to it. And we should apply some milk and we should mix it away. And we should mix the fabric glue with water. And we should take that and we should apply to it. After we should wait for some time. After that, we should take and we should do with the fabric colors. First, we should take any of the colors and we should take this brush and we should dip it in the color and we should paste it and we should do to it, give to the eggshells. We should take any colors and we can make it. After that, and for this we should wait for some time. After that, and the flower, the eggshells is ready, and the final is this one. I have made it for sample and it's for the real. And it's that.
Good morning, sir. Today I am going to do flower vase. The needed things are fabric paint, fabric glue, fevicol, flat brush, plastic bottle and eggshells. இப்போ நம்ம இதை சின்ன சின்ன பீஸாக கட் பண்ண போகிறோம். This is small pieces of the eggshells. Now I am going to stick the eggshells in this plastic bottle. நான் எக்ஸ்ஷெல்ஸ்லாம் அந்த பிளாஸ்டிக் பாட்டில் நான் ஒட்டிட்டேன். இந்த க்ளூனா காயத்துக்கு ஒரு 10 minutes நம்ம வெயிட் பண்ணலாம். This is fabric glue. Now I am going to apply the fabric glue in the eggshells. Let it dry for 10 minutes. Now I am going to paint for decorations.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Akash. I am studying in 7th standard. Today I have seen the crafts program. It was quite well, I liked it. They made a flower vase in this program. They used a bottle and eggshells, but I used a plastic bottle, a plastic vase, and used paper to decorate it. I used some small flowers to make it well. The video was so helpful to me. Thank you.